golf, when I put my club down behind the ball, that ball moves. The ethics of the game, the rules of the game state that I'm responsible for that. I have to call a penalty on myself. I have to put up my hand and say, as badly as I want to win this golf tournament, as badly as I want to beat you guys I'm playing with and everybody else in the field, and believe me, for a guy like me, it's bad. To say that I moved the ball and that's a two-shot penalty. At the end of the day, I think that's what separates golf likely from all the other sports that you're ever going to play. Because there are very, very, very few sports, and none to my knowledge, where the competitors will put their hand up and say that's a penalty. It's an infraction at calling this.
Even at the highest of levels, you see that.
Yeah, and then there's many examples we can give you, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you know if it moves.
Yeah.
There's no, the camera, you don't need to be on CBS television for somebody to look at the ball and see that it oscillated and came off its position. Or that you went to pull a twig from behind it and it rolled. But that's inconsequential likely of how you're going to hit that shot. And at the end of the day, it may not even have an effect on who wins the tournament. But those are the rules of the game. And that's what you taught. That's what my father taught me. And that's what my old pro Carl Vanstone taught us in the beginning in junior golf when I was growing up at the Idlewild. And learning under Carl, he was a great guy, a great man, very strict. And made sure that you respected what the game is all about. And that, at the end of the day, those guys are the backbones of golf. You know, it's not Tiger Woods, Phil Mickelson, or Vince Palladino. It's the individuals that embrace and teach the game and teach you to respect it. There's ways to go about being successful, and hopefully you can take that. That can carry over into your professional life and your personal life.